Welcome to creating a sales playbook with generative AI. In the next few minutes, we will explore how generative AI transforms the way sales teams create playbooks, battle cards, and enablement materials. Let us see what this course delivers. We begin by understanding the essential components that make a sales playbook truly effective for closing deals. These are the building blocks that every high-performing sales playbook must include. AI helps us create detailed buyer personas by analyzing customer data, reviews, and market research at scale. Generative AI can adapt methodology frameworks to your specific product and market context. AI-generated battle cards stay current by continuously monitoring competitor websites, pricing, and feature changes. Generative AI produces dozens of objection response variations tailored to different buyer personas and scenarios. Now let us see how generative AI accelerates each step of the playbook creation process. This workflow shows how generative AI fits into each stage of building a comprehensive sales playbook. We start by using AI to scan market reports, competitor sites, and customer reviews for actionable intelligence. Generative AI produces first drafts of buyer personas, email templates, and competitive analysis documents. The sales team adds their real-world experience to refine AI-generated content into battle-tested material. We assemble all components into a cohesive playbook with clear navigation and role-specific sections. AI-powered win/loss analysis feeds insights back into the playbook, keeping it sharp and current. Here is how generative AI accelerates the creation of each major playbook component compared to traditional methods. AI analyzes vast amounts of customer data to produce detailed personas that would take weeks to research manually. Generative AI creates personalized email sequences for different personas and buying stages almost instantly. AI continuously monitors competitor changes, keeping battle cards accurate without manual research effort. Instead of relying solely on veteran knowledge, AI generates comprehensive objection libraries systematically. Let us compare the traditional approach to playbook creation with the AI-powered approach we teach in this course. Traditional playbooks are expensive to create, hard to maintain, and often sit unused on shared drives. AI-powered playbooks are faster to build, easier to maintain, and become living resources that sales teams rely on daily. One of the most powerful applications of AI in sales enablement is automated win/loss analysis that feeds continuous improvement. AI reveals hidden patterns in deal outcomes that human analysis might overlook across hundreds of opportunities. When certain messages consistently win, AI helps us scale those themes across the entire playbook. Lost deals contain valuable competitive intelligence that AI can extract and turn into updated battle cards. AI proactively suggests playbook improvements, ensuring the content evolves with the market. Let us summarize the key ideas about creating sales playbooks with generative AI. These 4 components form the foundation of any playbook that actually helps sales teams close more deals. AI handles the research-heavy work so the team can focus on adding strategic judgment and real-world experience. Unlike static documents, AI-maintained playbooks evolve with market conditions and competitive dynamics. Every deal outcome becomes fuel for making the playbook sharper and more effective over time. If this preview showed you the potential, the full Udemy course walks you through every step of building an AI-powered sales playbook with hands-on exercises and real templates. Enroll today and transform your sales enablement process. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, start experimenting with AI to give your sales team the edge they deserve.